everyone, thank you for coming to my channel. My name is Kelly and today I'm going to be showing you what I received from SoSusan. SoSusan is a cosmetic, subscription box, subscription bag, and it cost me $107 for 6 months. And I said in my last video of SoSusan that I probably wasn't going to be continuing it after the next 6 months is up. I'm still unsure about that. I still enjoy getting this. I really do. The Ipsy bags, I have to say, are so much cuter than what I've seen SoSusan put out. And I have to figure out if Ipsy, the regular Ipsy, not the expensive one, but the, what is it, $16 or $17 for the small one now, or is it $14? I'm not sure. I have to see basically what I want to do, if I want to get Ipsy again. The only thing is with this is you get a palette every time. You get a little palette every month, and I love that. I love getting palettes. So I will show you what I received. The first thing I received is, did I receive a card this month? I did not. I did not receive a card this month. Let me go ahead and put on my glasses so I can see what I am reading. I think I just received something like this in one of my other subscription. I feel like I got hair stuck to my lipstick. It's actually just lip gloss, but I think I got one of these in one of my subscription boxes. I don't know. This is Trifle Cosmetics Glisten Whip. Glisten Whip. Okay, so what is a Glisten Whip? It's a unique illuminating primer. I have been wearing primers. A lot now. Didn't used to, but I have started. I can't wear a whole lot of anything right now. I have a bug bite here. It had swollen almost my whole eye shut. I had to go to the doctor. I explained about it in a previous video, but it was awful. So I have to kind of keep this area dry. So I haven't been doing a whole lot of putting on any highlighters or any sort of anything right here in this area. And the whole time when my eye was swollen, it was like a week and I wasn't able to put anything on there. No moisturizers or anything, my doctor said. So, but anyway, back to this. What is this now? This is SoSusan. Change is the only constant in life. This is a cheek. It says powder and cream blush. So this, look at my hair. This might be something that I would like. Let's see what this is. I saw Grandma Bev is now getting this box as well. I was just watching her yesterday and a little bit today. Oh, mine's broken. So there that is. The mirror is broken. I don't think that's a problem. I can just stick it back on. I'm not even going to complain. It is no big deal to me. But there is that. So very cute. Nice colors. And that is a blush, huh? It looks kind of dark, doesn't it, for a blush maybe? One side. See, the mirror keeps falling off. That's annoying. I might just take the mirror out completely. I don't really even need it in here. But yeah, it looks like this pink over here is like kind of sparkly. So I don't know. It's pretty. As most of you know, I don't usually swatch a whole lot of things on my channel unless I know for sure I'm going to keep them. So didn't swatch that. Here is a cashmere matte, long-lasting matte lipstick by SoSusan. See what this looks like. I have not cheated and looked yet, so I want my first impressions. All right, let's see. I don't know about the color, you guys. Let me see what it really looks like. Well, it looks red, when you're seeing it, or maybe a little orange, but actually it looks brown here. I don't know, I'm curious. I'll keep it. I don't know. There's a lot of activity going on outside. It's one of the first warm days in Illinois in a long time. So you'll probably be hearing, you know, maybe dogs outside barking and cars driving by. I've got my windows open. I'm going to be closing them up because it's supposed to be getting like up to 88 degrees or something like that. So I'm going to need to close up my house pretty soon. But there's a lot of background noise I noticed. Okay, so here is the SoSusan palette that we got this time. This is why I really like this box. I really do, or bag, I guess you can say. I just don't like their actual bags. You know, the colors aren't as pretty as what I would get from Ipsy. The designs aren't as pretty. But, you know, if you get the regular Ipsy, you don't get palettes. All you get is mini to deluxe size things. So I'd much rather, I guess, get the SoSusan. I don't even know if I'm going to have a choice pretty soon. After this 6 months, I might have to cancel this box anyway because I really want to keep the Ice Cream Beauty box. That's something I really want, and I really like the Ice Cream Beauty bag. So I'm going to have to, you know, make some decisions. But here is this palette. I think it is so pretty. SoSusan, so pretty. I really do. Now I'm gonna have to check to see if I have this because, you know, I do have some palettes. I had Ipsy and SoSusan, the Ice Cream Beauty. I also had, what is the other one? Not Birchbox, BoxyCharm for a while. And I had to cancel a few of them. So I have a lot of palettes, is what I guess is what I'm trying to say. So I'm gonna have to go through them every time I get a palette and make sure that I don't already have it. So I'm gonna be doing a collab pretty soon with some ladies. I can't wait for that. And it will have a giveaway in it. And you will be seeing some palettes in that giveaway. It'll probably be a surprise giveaway. I probably won't tell you what it is, but you know, if you get Ice Cream Beauty or, you know, BoxyCharm or Ipsy, you might see a repeat palette. I don't know. But if you don't get any of those boxes, it might be a very good giveaway for you. So can't wait for that to happen. It should be happening pretty soon, sometime this month. Thank you everyone for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you can, please leave a comment down below and subscribe. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you very much. Bye.